Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to look at gadget shortcuts. So normally whenever you use a gadget, you have to go up to the gadget menu at the top and then look for the gadget you want to use. And then when you find it, you select it and that will open up the gadget. So that's a completely fine way to use the gadgets, but there also is gadget shortcuts that you can use to open those up faster without searching for them. So if you go back up to the gadget menu, you'll see this option at the top that says Gadget Shortcuts. And if you select that, that's going to open up this chart here with different shortcuts that you can customize. So these are currently the only shortcuts that you can customize in Vectric software. And you can see the shortcut is on the left-hand side. These are not able to be changed, but these are the F1 through F9 keys. And you just have to hold the control key when you click those keys. So on the right-hand side, you can select custom gadgets for each one of these shortcuts. So you can see I have two set up already. Explode Vectors is Control F1 and Gear Maker is Control F2. And then you can change the next one to be whatever custom gadget you'd like. Let's say we did the spiral gadget, that will be Control F3. And you can change any of these at any time. You could set all of them up, or you could just set up a few that you use the most. So this is great if you use these a lot and you want to access them quickly without searching for them. Especially gadgets like the Explode Vector gadget, where you don't technically have to open up the form to use it. And I'll show you that here in a second. So once we have these all set up, we're going to click OK. And now if we wanted to open up that spiral gadget again, instead of searching for it at the top, we can click Control F3. And there we go, it just opened up with our new custom shortcut. So now we can use this gadget and then close it down. And you could still access the gadget up at the top if you happen to forget the keyboard shortcut. But I'll show you that Explode gadget. So if we have a shape that's completely all together, if we hit the Control plus F1 key, you can see that's going to open up our Explode Vector form. But this gadget can actually be used without opening the form, and that's by checking this box right here to turn it off. And now it says Run Gadget and Show Form. That's now turned off. So now when we click OK, you can see this shape was just exploded. So now the shapes are all separated. So the gadget did work. But if we bring that back and we join all those vectors back together, now we have a solid vector again. But this time, since we turn that option off to show the form, now when we select this vector and use our custom keyboard shortcut, Control F1, that just exploded this vector without opening that form. So that's a great benefit of using those keyboard shortcuts, and that will save you extra steps from having to open the form every time. So that's just a quick overview of some gadget shortcuts. And if you'd like to learn more on gadgets and how to use them, I have a complete training on all the Vectric gadgets inside of my Vectric Master Training course. And if you're just getting started with Vectric software, you could check out my free Vectric Bootcamp training that I'll link down below. So hopefully this lesson helped you out, and if it did, make sure you like and subscribe for more.